You ever post a link in your bio and realize almost no one clicks anything? Or maybe you're juggling 5 different tools just to sell, capture leads or share content and it still looks messy? That's exactly what I was, until I found URLFam. It's not just another link in bio, it's your mini website, funnel and business card all in one. In this video, I'm going to build a live page from scratch so you can see how it works. Drag and drop customization, monetization, templates, and even built-in lead capture. And stick around to the end because my $2,000 plus bonuses and double money back guarantee are wild. Here's the main URLFam dashboard, clean, modern, and super intuitive. On the left, you've got your navigation, dashboard, my links, templates, my library and analytics. Everything's right where you need it. In the center you'll see a quick start video and all your tools: create links, brand promotion, invoicing, integrations and more. And over here on the right are your live stats: total links, total visitors, total leads and form submissions, so you can track performance at a glance. Think of this as your control center, the hub for everything you build inside URLFam. Let's create our first page together. So I'll call this one A's AI Tool Hub, a space where I share my favorite AI tools, a free guide and a quick way for visitors to connect. This setup is perfect for affiliates, creators or businesses who want their offers, content and links all on one sleek page. Now we're inside the builder. Your live previews on the right, elements on the left, everything updates instantly as you go. So first I'm going to edit the profile block, and you can either upload your own image of yourself or search a royalty free image. So I'm going to go with nature for example, and let's select this foggy mountain and then upload it. Then go ahead and name it. So I'm going to write AI tools and digital growth. Then a quick tagline: helping you discover the smartest AI tools to save time and growth online. Next, I'll add a heading by clicking add new element, and let's search for heading, and I'll name this your all-in-one AI toolkit. And you can go ahead and change the color, font style, font size and the background color. So let's change this to black so it stands out against the background. Add a short paragraph underneath it. So let's say I test AI tools every week. Here are the ones I personally use and recommend. Now let's make it interactive. So I'll go ahead and drop in a YouTube video block and paste in one of my previous product review demos I've done. So let's type in cash cow review and then paste in the link and click on add. See how fast I loaded? No code, no embed, just paste the link and done. Now let's add a countdown timer. So click on add new element, just countdown, and then I'll set it for 5 days, perfect for time limited bonuses or offers. So 5 days, the 11th, and start over today. And then you can also change the style of it, so these different styles: style 2, style 3. You can customize it to your liking and however you prefer. So I'll go ahead with number 1 and either make it have a colored background or make it transparent. And I like how it looks transparent. You can also change the color of the text. For example, you want to go red so it stands out, and then you can also change the font family. So let's go with this. When that timer hits 0, it can even auto lock your content. Built-in scarcity done right. And below that I'll add a button. So search button, and then for the text let's say get cash cow, and I'll link it to go to my affiliate page. Paste in the link, and you can either turn it on to open a new tab on the same page. So I'll leave it off. And finally, let's capture leads. So head over to the locker, and you're given these different unlock types. So in order to capture leads, you're going to want to select an opt-in form, and you can either collect their name along with the email or the WhatsApp, or you could do both. And if you hit preview, it will show you how the form will look like. And as you can see, they enter their name, email and WhatsApp if you select WhatsApp, and then type a message you want to show them. enter your email in order to get the cash cow, and to unlock it they'll just enter in their email. Instant list building, every visitor turns into a potential subscriber, and in just a few minutes we've built a branded lead generating video powered link hub, all drag and drop. Now for the fun part, design. Every font, color and background is customizable, so you want to head over to the style tab. You can choose from any color, gradient, or you can even pick a background image via Unsplash. You don't even need Canva. Search Unsplash right inside URLFam. Choose an image and you're done. So let's go with landscape. Instant design with zero frustration. Let's make that countdown section pop. Different styles, colors, animation options built in. And so enable animation style, and these different animations are perfect for launches, early bird deals or webinar countdowns. Scarcity done right keeps your viewers clicking. If you want to keep your followers in the loop, you can either add your Instagram feed or your YouTube feed. So I'm going to add my YouTube feed, and you can choose from different layouts, columns, and it auto updates whenever you post, so your page feels alive. So for example, I want to change my scroll direction to a grid. As you can see over here, it shows you a whole grid of all the videos on your page. Change it to vertical so you can scroll down, or horizontal, and if you've got a grid you can choose the number of columns you want. So as you can see over there, no more dead bio links. Now here's where it gets powerful. You can actually sell products or schedule appointments straight from your page. For example, add a new element. You can search for a appointment, so you can connect payments, set pricing, or allow instant booking, ideal for coaches, agencies and freelancers. So for example, I want to say book one-on-one coaching. But one-on-one coaching, you can use the font size, rearrange it, center it, so make that a bit smaller, so it fits. And then so we can also make it bold. We can change the color of it. So, and then you can also put some more text underneath it to give a little description. And button text, get coaching. Now your bio also generates revenue and not just clicks. If you don't want to start from scratch, jump into the templates section. You'll find designs for creators, local businesses, e-commerce, events and much more. Pick one, tweak the colors, change your text, and you're live in minutes. It's like having a pro designer on standby without paying a dime. URLFam connects to your favorite tools such as Stripe, PayPal, Google Calendar, and even GoHighLevel. That means your payments, leads and bookings sync automatically. Total hands-off automation. Now this part's huge. During this week, you're getting over $2,000 worth of exclusive bonuses. Brand promotion module to land sponsorships, affiliate link locker, advertise safely on paid platforms, 3 VIP monetization trainings with Luke McGuire, lifetime GoHighLevel integration, ultimate pages and elements during launch, 60-day double money back guarantee, and up to $2,000 in free ad credits across Google, TikTok, LinkedIn and Microsoft. These bonuses vanish after launch week, no exceptions. Here's my take after testing it. It's fast, flexible and generally made for marketers. The live preview and built-in monetization are incredible. Overall, URLFam nails that sweet spot between simplicity and real power. So if you're ready to finally turn your traffic into real results, click the link below to grab URLFam while the bonuses are still live. So if you're ready to finally turn your traffic into real results, click the link below and grab URLFam while the bonuses are still live. You'll get every bonus, your ad credits, and the double money back guarantee, zero risk, all reward. Go build your first page and watch the clicks roll in.